po namin sa inyo ang Bogat Swimming Lessons for All Ages.
Of course, Joyce, at dahil marunong na kami mag-swimming ni Joyce, kami ang magtuturo sa mga bata at mga kasama natin. Siyempre, kailangan pa rin natin ng expert to help us out. Because we're not experts. So mga kasama natin ngayong umaga si Coach Angelo Lozada will give us further tips on how to swim.
Hello,
Wow.
Morning,
Coach Angelo. So, what is our first lesson? So what do we need to know first?
Bale, ang unang pinaka-importanting lesson, kailangan muna nilang matutong mag-hold ng breath underwater. Kailangan maging comfortable sila. So,
Mga kasama natin ngayon, si Isaiah.
First student first, syempre yung mga nakasama tayo ngayong kids. Say hi to everyone, guys! This is Aiden, and this is Isaiah.
Isaiah, my protege.
He's just like, no. Okay, Aiden, tell everyone, why do you want to learn how to swim?
But I don't want to drown and I want to swim.
Oh, because she doesn't want to
Why do you want to learn how to swim?
Because I don't want to drown.
And you want to?
See fish.
Yeah, to see the fishes. Wow, ako ngayon gusto ko rin makita yung mga fish. May fish ba dito?
Perfect. Wala sila dito. But okay, let's go with our first lesson.
okay,
as
ang first
Coach
lesson
said.
is hold nila yung breath nila. Kailangan matuto mag-inhale and then hold your breath without bubbling. Hold your breath under the water. Yan yung pinakaunang lesson na tinuturo namin. Dapat maging comfortable sila going under. Okay, guys? Inhale and then go down. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Yan yung first lesson. Ang next lesson natin, tuturuan sila mag-blow ng bubbles under the water. Okay, yung next lesson now. You're blowing bubbles under the water, you hum under the water. Okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Very good. Okay, ang next lesson natin, so natuto na silang mag-hold ng breath, kaya na nila ng blow bubbles. Ang sunod natin ituturo yung floating. Floating. So, mag-float sila, hold mo yung arms nila, and then hayaan nyo lang sila mag-float forward muna. Yan, naka-hold lang, float in front. Okay, naka-hold. Okay, inhale, and then float lang, down, 5 counts. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Okay. Natuto na sila mag-float. Ang next namin yung pinaka-importante yung tinuturo namin, yung back float. Kasi yung back float, yan yung preparation for survival swimming. Kasi yung survival swimming, yan yung gagamitin nyo sa dagat. Okay? Okay, back float. Okay, back float. Hold the head ng mga ano. Yan. And then starfish float. Okay? Okay, look up. Okay, let go. 10 counts. Bitaw. 1, 2, 3. Bitaw mo na. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job!
Okay.
So sa mga gustong matuto nito, Coach, they can do it with their kids, no?
Yes.
Very simple lang naman yung pag-alalay eh.
Yes. Ang pinaka-importante, kailangan enjoy nilang ginagawa. Huwag nyo silang ipo-force. Dapat talaga yung sila mismo nag-e-enjoy. Kasi pag naglalaro mga bata, mas mabilis ang learning.
Yes,
Kaya
that's
gamitin nyo yung play aspect ng teaching.
Oo, tama. Coach, I have a question naman. Siyempre may mga tao na maaga pa lang natuto na silang mag-swim, di ba? But there are also people like me na later on in life na ako natuto mag-swim. Kaya bang matuto mag-swimming even if you're older na, even if you're an adult?
Yes, sabi nga namin dito sa Bertosada Swim School, you're never too old to learn how to swim. Kaya if you notice dun sa side na yon, may mga nagle-lecture ng mga adults. Ang pinakamatandang tinuruan ko, 85 years old na.
85 years
Yes.
That cardio in.
Tapos na meron, with the emergence of multi-sports ngayon, nakikita nyo ngayon, na may mga adults na dati nagra-running lang, nagbabike, since may triathlon na.
Yeah.
At the latter part, may mga 50-year-old na gustong mag-triathlon, nagpapaturo sila mag-swimming para sila matutong mag-swim sa triathlon.
Very important rin ang swimming lessons, of course, dahil summer season na. Maraming magsiswimming sa mga dagat, sa mga pools. Of course, you do know kailangan survival at the fittest kayo.
Oo nga. Pero coach, para sa inyo, bukod sa syempre survival and practicality ng swimming, ano pa ba po yung mga benefits pag marunong ka talagang lumakay? Halimbawa, for cardio, for workout, ganyan.
Okay, sa mga ano kasi sinasabi nga namin, swimming is the best form of exercise eh. At saka, hindi siya ma-injure yung mismo kasi walang thumping. Tsaka yung pagka-adult ka, ito lang yung sport na pwede mong gawin, maski na 80, 85 years old ka na. As in, healthy sa lungs,
Yes.
you get a very good workout. Tapos yun yung may mga asthma.
Aha.
Swimming is the best form of exercise for them, na-improve din nila yung health nila.
Wow!
Swimming talaga.
Yes.
Alright, ang dami natin natutunan ngayon kay Coach Angela. And of course, thank you to Aiden and Isaiah for helping us today.
Swim na?
Can you swim?
Kaya na?
Okay, let's
Good job.
swim. Balik muna tayo sa studio dito lang sa inyo pambansang morning show kung saan laging una ka.